माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
Honorable members, I have to inform that a supplementary list of business has been issued by the Secretary today, listing for laying of notification of the Minister of Finance on the table of the House. Supplementary list has been uploaded in the Rajya Sabha website and also Honorable Members portal. The papers to be laid on the table. Sri Muralidharan.
Sir, with your permission, on behalf of my colleagues, Sri Santosh Kumar Gangwar, Sri Prahlad Singh Patel, Sri Hardeep Singh Puri, Sri Purushottam Rupala, Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti, and Sri Angadi Suresh Channabasappa, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers listed against their names at serial numbers 1 to 6 respectively in today's revised list of business.
Please change here afterwards the wording. I place it on the table because you are not allowed to raise. Okay. Report of the Department Head Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce. Secretary General.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table a copy in English and Hindi of the 154th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce on the subject export of agricultural and marine products, plantation crops, turmeric and coir.
Statement by Minister Sri Muralidharan.
Chairman, sir, with your permission, on behalf of my colleagues Sri Rajkumar Singh, Sri Narendra Singh Tomar, Sri Sanjeev Kumar Balian, Sri Angadi Suresh Channabasappa, Sri Rameshwar Teli and Sri Pratap Chandra Sarangi, I lay on the table of the House the statements listed against their names in today's revised list of business.
Secretary General, report of the Department Head Parliamentary Standing Committee on Personal and Public Grievances, Law and Justice.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table a copy each in English and Hindi of the following reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Personnel, Public Grievances, Law and Justice. 102nd report on effectiveness of vigilance administration in certain revenue and banking institutions and selected CPSCs. 103rd report on functioning of the virtual court proceedings through video conference, interim report.
Hello. Hello, Balian.
104th report on the action taken on 100th report of the Committee on Demands for Grants pertaining to the Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions. 105th report on the action taken on 101st report of the Committee on Demands for Grants 2020-21 pertaining to the Ministry of Law and Justice.
Honorable members, as I have already advised you all people, no member is expected to come to the table office and then speak to the officers when the House is on session. Before the House commences, you can get your doubts clarified if any. If during the business, if you have something urgent, please send a slip so that they take note. Secondly, honorable members are advised not to come to the chairman's chamber also, because everybody is coming and saying, sir, what about my 0 hour? What about my... I don't have much problem. I enjoy meeting members. But the health department people and our own people are telling, sir, please, because that rooms are closed rooms. Even this much air circulation is not there. So please keep this advice in mind, avoid. And if you have problem, please send a slip to me, addressed to the chair informally, write to me. I will go through it and try to address it to the extent possible. Sir?
So at least we can come there for cup of tea.
And one more, after hearing Sarajya, one more suggestion. Members are requested not to go to other member's seat, bend, and then try to talk to him. Because you know that I don't like louder voice, so you try to bend and then whisper in the ear. That means, you know, mainly the advisory is it will come through nose, or it will come through the mouth, the droplets, whatever they call. Please avoid going to members, and if you have something to communicate also among yourselves, please send slips. Slips in examination hall is not allowed, but here slips are allowed. About the call attention motion which is listed today, the minister has written to me saying that there is a Mahalaya Amavasya, some religious function in her house, so it will be taken up at the earliest. Then the matter is raised, I got it. I am examining it.